Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing all things curly. I'm going to take you through today's wash day. Have a look at these curls. They feel so healthy, really hydrated. I'm so happy with these results. I'm going to be giving you all my curly tips and tricks. I'm using products from As I Am today. I've posted about this brand before and I love their products, especially their curling jelly. That's my all-time favorite gel. I've bought it a few times and I've completely run out of it. Today I'm using some products from their Rosemary collection, which I've been loving. Rosemary oil is great for hair growth as well as strengthening your hair and your overall scalp health. Here are the before results, so I'll show you step by step how I refreshed my curls and got to this result. I've been loving rosemary oil on my scalp lately. I've been trying to do it once a week. This has definitely helped with my hair growth and overall hair health, so I recommend the As I Am rosemary oil. So I split my scalp into sections and I apply a couple drops in each section, around 4 sections, and then I also like to apply it at the back bottom of my head because you want the hair down at the back bottom of your head to grow, because that's what really shows your hair's length. So I've got a fine comb here, starting with this side of my head. I'm just gonna roughly section it. It doesn't have to be neat. Ow, my hair is so knotted. Taking the As I Am oil and I'm just gonna do 2 or 3 drops along the scalp. Make sure to get the back, and you're just going to repeat this along your scalp. You can do as much or as little as you want. We're going to be massaging this in after, so that's the key to making sure you get even distribution. 1, 2, 3. I'm really trying to make my hair grow. I got a regretful haircut like 5 months ago, and it has grown a lot because of my efforts in doing the hair oiling, and I nearly forgot the back bottom of my head. Now you can just use your hands, or if you have a scalp massager, or I have this little tangle teaser, and basically spend 2 or 3 minutes massaging it into your scalp. This is also going to help stimulate your scalp and promote growth. We want those curls to be healthy, we want them to grow, and we want our scalp to be a good healthy base for our curls. The more you massage, the better. My hair is really dry, so I want to do a leave-in hair mask before I actually go in and shampoo and condition my hair. I feel like doing a mask always makes my curls last longer because they're extra hydrated, and it just makes my hair more shiny and healthy looking for the week. Doing a mask is called doing deep conditioning, which I highly recommend, especially if you have damaged hair and you're trying to revive your curls. This one is perfect for today. This is the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisturizing Mask. So we're going to apply the mask and also detangle my hair. I'm going to dampen my hair with the rosemary water from As I Am. I love this because it's even more beneficial than just dampening your hair with normal water. You're adding the rosemary oil, biotin, and all these other great ingredients that are going to help promote healthy curls and great growth. This is very moisturizing. It helps to strengthen your hair and your scalp. It smells really nice. Oh, not me spraying all of the mirror. I wanted to film in my bathroom, but I'm also filming on my phone and it was just too much happening. My bathroom's not very big. It was a bit squishy. Time for the mask. I'm gonna glaze this all over my hair and then brush it through. I'm just using a small paddle brush to detangle my hair, and you want to start from the ends and work your way up because you don't want to start from the top when your hair's really knotted and just cause a lot of breakage. That's all brushed out. I'm gonna leave the hair mask and hair oil in there for 15 to 20 minutes. I just use a claw clip to loosely tie it up. And when I come back, I'll show you the shampoo and conditioner I'm going to use to wash this all out. Be right back. Alright, the hair is rinsed and we're going in with the As I Am Rosemary Shampoo. I'm going to apply it in 3 lines across my scalp and just really massage that in. It's weird doing this out of the shower, but yeah, I'll apply it and massage it here and then I'll go rinse it out. One tip that a lot of people don't know and think is wrong is to apply shampoo all over your hair, not just your scalp, and this will really clean your hair and create the perfect base for wash day, especially as a curly girl. When you're layering a lot of styling products, you want to be applying those to clean hair, so you got to clean all over your hair, not just your scalp. That was a big game changer in the way my hair performed after wash days, and the health of my hair is when I was told I should be shampooing the lengths of my hair as well. Massaging that all in, really cleansing the scalp. You want to make sure all of that oil that you put on your scalp is all going to be cleansed. I'm going to put some on the lengths of my hair. You really want to clean your hair. This is going to give you the best results, trust me. This smells really good. It feels really fresh on the scalp. It also says it uses sub-micron technology to improve the scalp's protective barrier. It also helps to balance the scalp's pH. It has a really soothing aroma. It smells like peppermint and rosemary. I'm going to go rinse it out. I know we already did a mask, but I always like to do a bit of conditioner. I feel like my hair is extra dry, so I need that little bit of extra hydration. So this is the As I Am Rosemary Conditioner. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my ends, brush it through and rinse. After rinsing that shampoo out, you can really feel the peppermint and the rosemary working. You kind of get like a bit of a fresh tingling sensation just because I really scrubbed it in there, and yeah, it feels good. It feels very fresh. And again, just brushing that conditioner through with my paddle brush. That's all brushed, time to rinse, and then we'll get into styling. Time to get into some styling. This is gonna make sure your curls last throughout the week, so you wanna really hydrate them and give them some products that are going to help enhance those ringlets. I'm just gonna spray some more rosemary water. You can also use normal water, but I'm going all out today with the rosemary. I can never not use a cream or leave-in, so today I'm using the As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. This one's great for adding moisture and shine. It also smells amazing. This one's a must before you apply a mousse or a gel. My hair feels so good, so clean. So I'm definitely a cream and gel girl, but I have run out of the As I Am Curling Jelly, which is actually the product that made me get hooked on this brand. And As I Am actually sent me this styling mousse to try out instead. So we're gonna see how my hair reacts to this styling mousse. This is also from their rosemary range. So it's not like one of those really tacky mousses, it's more of a soft mousse. Actually, I'm gonna section my hair with a claw clip. Sectioning your hair is a good tip if you really wanna make sure your styling products gets all over your hair, even at the back and at the bottom. It definitely makes a difference when I section my hair rather than just rake it all through, especially for a mousse or a gel. So raking the mousse through this bottom layer, then using my Denman styling brush just to brush through the curls and really create more definition, especially in spots where they tend to get less defined, so at the back, at the bottom. And see, when I brush, I go from underneath and then I slowly spin the brush as I reach the end. And that just creates a really nice, clean, nice ringlets. So once you've brushed through the sections you want to, give them a little shake, and then you want to scrunch the hair all over. Shake, 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 and scrunch. I can definitely feel a strong hold from that mousse, so there's definitely no need for a gel. If you can hear that nice squelching sound, then you know you have enough product in your hair. If you feel like your hair is still a bit limp and dry, then add a bit more conditioner or mousse. So that bottom half is nice and styled, and we're gonna do the same for this top half. More mousse. I'm just gonna part my hair slightly to the left, and it doesn't have to be a super neat part because I like to wear my hair messy anyway when it's dry. And back with the styling brush, I just want to make sure that my face framing pieces are nice and defined and they don't dry funny. So using that same technique and brushing them through, shaking, and then scrunching at the end. And I always like finishing off styling with just scrunching all over the hair. Give your hair a good scrunch all over to help really activate the curls and create a strong curl pattern throughout. All styled, time to use my diffuser. You can also air dry, but I just prefer diffusing. I feel like I get a bit more definition when I diffuse. I usually use the Dyson Supersonic, but it broke. This one is also really good. This is from Mermaid Hair. I'm going to be using medium heat and medium power today. If you have really damaged hair, I suggest using cool air, and it usually takes me around 20 to 30 minutes. Let's do it. Here are the results. Oh my gosh. The curls are looking so lush. My hair feels so healthy, clean, rejuvenated, revived. After diffusing, don't forget to really shake out, massage your scalp, shake out the curls a lot, and that will help with volume because I get a lot of questions about volume. And really the tip is to just scrunch your hair after it's dry, massage it, fluff it up. I'm constantly fluffing up my hair. It is really the secret to volume. I cannot recommend these products enough to curly girls. As I Am is really, really amazing. I love the rosemary range so much. I'm gonna continue to use it because I can really see a difference. Thank you to As I Am for sponsoring this video. I'll leave the link to their website down below if you guys wanna shop. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you very soon.